Hello, I'm Avery. This is Online Income Network. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a playlist on Audiomack. Now, it's pretty simple to do. You can see that I am on the home page and I'm already signed in. What I'm going to be doing is going right down to one of these songs right here, and you can see that there's a plus sign. Hovering over it, you can see that it says add playlist. So what I can do is just click on it and create a new playlist. I got mix 1, mix 2, so I'm going to go ahead and make mix 3 right now. And I can choose the category I want it to be, and I can also make it public or private, but I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it public and press create. And right now you don't see it up here, but if I close out of this and decide to add another one, you'll see that it's up here now. So I can go ahead and add another song, or I can go ahead and take out the song that I had up here. Now, if you want to do your own songs, all you gotta do is go to your uploads. Now you can see my library right here, and I can see my uploads. So all I have to do from here is just go and do the same thing. I can add my own playlist right here. Just clicking on the plus sign and just clicking on the playlist I want them to be on. Alright, so I got 3 right now on that playlist. So I want to go ahead and actually edit that playlist. So I can go to playlist from here, or I can go playlist up here. Either way, it takes me to my playlist. All I gotta do is click on one, and I can see that I can edit it right here. But if for some reason you don't see that up here, you got creative controls down here, and they have the exact same menu, which is make private, edit, and delete the playlist. So I'm going to click on edit the playlist, and you can see I have a couple things I can do with the playlist. I can add a banner for one. I can change my cover. I can change the playlist name, genre. I can add a description. I can change the playlist URL, and then I can go ahead and get rid of all of these songs if I want, or I can just change the order. And when I'm done, I can go ahead and update the playlist right here. So just because I'm going to go ahead and add a custom picture to it. Now I don't know what kind of picture I want, so let's just see what I can find in the pictures. Miscellaneous. Let's go that one. Bam. I'm updating this playlist. Update was successful. Now I'm gonna go to my playlist, and you can see that I have a new picture up that is absolutely random. So with that being said, I can go ahead and delete this playlist because I don't want this playlist anyway. And that's it. So hopefully you found the information useful. If you did, why don't you go ahead, like, subscribe, share with a friend, click the bell notification to get notified when new videos come out from me. I make new videos every week. Thanks for watching. I also want to just make sure to say that if you want to make your own little mixtape of yourself, that's how you would want to do it. Or if you wanted to just do one of other people, do it that way. Or if you wanted to do a mixture between yours and other people's playlists, you can do that as well. So once again, thanks for watching.